This video will demonstrate how to use the LiteBee Client for MTHS Drone Racing Club. First, download using the Google Drive link. Save the file. Extract the files. Then open lightbeeclient.exe and ignore Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. Log in, open Design module, and create a new case, which is your project name. MTHS has 30 drones. However, for this activity and other activities, 10 will be used. However, exceptions can be made. MTHS uses an 8 by 8 meter grid size. Arrange the drones as so. You can use the right-click mouse button to move the camera as so, and the middle-click button to pan as so. Create a new shape using the list of shape on the left-hand side. You can create a new Move 3D object, which allows you to move the drone by right-clicking under Takeoff. You're allowed to make multiple of these if you want. If a drone is overlapping in any way, for example here, a red dot will be shown underneath those two drones. However, if there is adequate spacing, horizontally and vertically, then there is no need to worry. However, you should advise caution at all times. To return a drone to its last location, since takeoff and landing don't match up, as a drone will land in its last location, you should make a new Move 3D object to their last location. On the bottom left-hand side, you will see the starting positions. On the right-hand side, you will see an input box. Change the coordinates accordingly. It is recommended you have the same z coordinates as it was during takeoff. For example, 100 centimeters during takeoff and 100 centimeters before landing. To save your file and your case, Control S or click on File menu at the top left and click on Save Case. Export your case to be used during light shows. Once you have exported your case, open the Google Drive folder, click on your current year for cases, create a new folder with your first and last name, and then upload that .zbin file. Once done uploading, it can now be used during light shows.